If you're new here, welcome. And for today's video, it's not about journaling, it's not about Japan, it's about my current big investment, which is I'm very proud of because I work hard for it. And of course, special thanks to my patrons at Patreon for helping me a lot to purchase this. So for the first part of this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing part. I actually unboxed it way before, right after I bought it, because I was so excited. But for the sake of this YouTube video, let's just pretend that we're unboxing again. So here's the video. Hello, welcome back to this face, and I have the iPad here, which you can compare with my face size. So this is the 12.9 inch, it's 512 gig, and it has Wi-Fi and cellular data. And the guy offered an Apple smart keyboard, which is already connected to this iPad, which can serve also as the cover, so you can cover it like that there. And then this is the Apple Pencil that I showed. You know, when I was searching for YouTube videos about the Apple Pencil, it's so interesting because apparently there's also a pencil case for this one. Like, people do DIY it, so it gave me some inspiration because I want to do the same thing, like have my own pencil case for the Apple Pencil. I think it looks really stylish and I like the grip. You may be wondering why I bought an iPad Pro. So the first reason is that I wanted to have my old laptop repaired, but I thought that maybe the cost will be just the same, so why not just invest in another one, a newer one, which I can really use in the future as well. And then the first thing that came into my mind was to buy an iPad Pro, and I really wanted to practice doodling or illustrating, especially because I want to level up my current content. For example, like for my blog, I want my pictures to have some doodle images on top of the picture, so it's like a collage. And the easiest way to do it is to have a monitor that you can draw onto. So I think that Apple Pencil and iPad Pro will be the best combination for that. And then of course, it's more lightweight for me compared to bring my current MacBook Pro, because the size is actually the biggest one. It was bought like last 2013. I'm not sure if it's 15 inch or 13, I don't know, but it's the largest one. So whenever I bring it, it's so heavy for me. And for the iPad Pro, I can just choose if I want to bring the smart keyboard or just the Apple Pencil. So those are the factors that I really considered why I chose buying an iPad Pro rather than repairing my old laptop. And then what else? So I've learned that many people also use the Apple Pencil for the Good Notes and the Procreate apps. Yeah, I'm going to show you a demo on how I'm planning to use it for my blog and for my YouTube videos. And then for GoodNotes, I'm planning to use it as maybe my digital journal and my Nihongo notes.
Thanks for watching, and please do not blame me if you're gonna buy an iPad Pro because of this video. And let me know how you're gonna use it, if you're gonna buy one, or if you already have one. If you have some tips like this app is so fun, you should try it, please comment down below and let's share the information. And that's all for today. Hope you guys look forward to more iPad Pro or just note-taking videos in the future, because I'm really planning to make those kind of content. Okay, bye everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.